Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to a brand new video. My name is Hassan. I am 22 years old and I live here in the beautiful city of Dubai. And today I have a very exciting video. I have found probably one of the best free product research methods that you could use in 2026 and going into 2027. And this product research method is something that I doubt any influencer speaks about. So in today's video, I'm going to reveal it to you guys. It's something that I'm a huge fan of, and they have evolved so much that I perhaps could say that you could have your first winning product from this place right away, inshallah. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna jump into my screen, but before I do, if you guys want to get started with e-commerce through our mentorship and hit results like these, all I want you to do is check out our mentorship, halalhustle.io, where we basically have a 90-day mentorship program that you can check out for yourself and get more information, and of course see if you even qualify for that mentorship. Now, apart from that, I forgot to say this, but Ramadan Kareem to every single person who's watching this. I hope you guys are having a blessed month. I'm still fasting right now as we speak. That's why my energy, if it's a little bit low, I do apologize. But without further ado, let's get into my screen and let me show you guys what this product research method is. Because what I'm about to tell you is something that you might have never heard before. So inshallah, let's get into it. First thing first, of course, I get into my computer. As you guys can see, I've already searched TikTok 1. You're going to click on the second one. You're going to then click on get started right over here. And over here, before you get into this step, they're going to ask you for verification and a few other things, all of that stuff. You can do it if you want to. You can skip through it. But basically, I just got it done. That's why I'm in this page. And then once you're here, right over here, you're going to click on inspiration, top ads. So this is exactly where I do my product research. And I know I went over it so fast, guys. But yes, it's very simple to get to this page. Search TikTok 1, then click on Creator Marketplace. It's going to ask you for verification, all of that stuff that I just mentioned. You have to get done through that. Then click on get started and you're going to be right over here at this page. And then once you're right over here, you're going to be able to explore creators, meaning that you can even see other famous people or famous creators using different products and showing it off on their TikTok, just like these ones that you see right over here in front of your screen. And that's actually insane. I still haven't got the verification. It still says unverified. So I hope I will be able to get the verification done. But that is for top creators. What I'm going to show you guys is top ads. So there's two different places. One is creator leaderboard or top content or creator search. And the other one is inspiration and then top ads. So top ads is exactly where I usually go, right over here. And this is where I usually find the biggest of the biggest winning products. So in industry, you can choose sports and outdoors. And again, there's an issue with this entire section. And I want to let you guys know beforehand as well that it doesn't really give you the data right off the bat unless you don't make some changes at the region. That's why I just changed my region. And as you guys could see, I got to see some ads. You guys see it, right? It doesn't really show until and unless you don't change the region 1 or 2 times. So I just wanted you guys to know, inshallah. And yeah, right over here, we have the industry. Right over here, we can choose any of the industries that I want. And I will give you guys, of course, my top searches. So this is basically where the entire magic happens for you to find a winning product. And as you guys can see, there's a lot of big brands advertisement right in front of your face. But that is not something that we're going to be focusing on. We're going to be focusing on much more niche dropshipping products. So again, if I go to creators real quick before I click on find top ads, if I click on creator search, I just have to get my verification done. And as you guys can see, there are tons of TikTok shop creators that I could potentially get in touch with, get to see their content, and even get them to advertise our products if we needed to as a UGC creator. Of course, we cannot get the big sharks or the big ones, but the small ones, we potentially could actually do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to top ads library. I'm going to show you guys the method that I use for the GCC market, which is UAE, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, basically the Gulf Arab countries. And right over here, I can search for home improvement. I could choose any one of these, of course. I can choose the region as, let's say, United Arab Emirates. An objective, I'm going to choose conversion. And likes, I'm going to try to see if there's anything that is in the top 1% or top 21%. And I'm going to see what is actually available. And then you can even search by product right over here. And make sure in the last 180 days, because last 30 days, it doesn't really give you the good data or the data that you think would be enough. So right over here, I'm already seeing a few different products. Of course, that's not really a good winning product. If you have experience in e-commerce, you already know what good and bad winning products are. And if you don't have experience, it's going to be really, really hard. And this is exactly where you're going to be looking into the things that I've mentioned in halalhustle.io, which is the 10 traits of a winning product. So you need to know the traits of a winning product. And for you to know the traits, all I want you to do is, inshallah, check out our website, halalhustle.io, just to get an idea. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose Saudi Arabia. Let's see what's available in Saudi Arabia. And again, I'm going to keep the objection as conversion. I'm going to keep this as top 20 to 41%. Last 30 days. Let's see if I have anything in the last 30 days that we could look into. You see that the products are very, very different. Like I'm seeing literally 30 different kinds of products. It's because I haven't selected a niche. What I'm going to do is I'm going to choose a niche real quick. Appliances. Let's see what's available right over here. Oh, this is a sick product. This is actually super nice. Wow. Guys, this as an advertisement would go insane. And the good thing is, guys, some of them is available to be taken as an advertisement. Open video, new tab. As you guys can see, you even have the ad video right here available, and I can download the ad and I can have it for myself, which, by the way, I'm not saying it's the most ethical thing to do. I hope you guys can create your own ads, but, just show you guys what's, truly possible. But some of the ads you cannot, guys. So if you guys notice, this one says TikTok Creative Center. If I click on video, new tab, it doesn't let me. Some videos have the watermark available from TikTok itself, so you cannot really copy it. This also lasts 30 days. If I click on 180 days, you guys will notice that I'm going to see in appliances way more different products. But let's go into complete different niche. Let's go to beauty and personal care. We have a lot of hair product, a lot of different products. And again, guys, I'm just showing you guys the GCC market. If I was to select UK and all of these other countries, it would be much more crazy, I would say. So in fashion products, as you guys already know, fashion is probably one of the best niches you could get started with your e-commerce store. I'm seeing a lot of different products, but let's go out of the apparel and accessories. I'm going to change the region now to United States, and we're going to see what is available in the United States. The good thing is, guys, you can choose the region from the top as well. And sometimes it lets you basically be able to choose United States. Sometimes it doesn't. But right now, I think it just let me choose it. If I was to choose household products, I'm going to choose 180 days and I'm going to see what's available over here, guys. Now, I know you guys are seeing some old products, etc., etc. Just remember, guys, that it takes time for you to find that top winning product. And you got to be patient with it, of course. Let's see one more time in home improvement based in the US. So what can we see in home improvement based in the US? We can see this. The reason why I only buy Cove Home Security. Wow. That is a nice ad, by the way. That is such a sick ad. This right here is another winning product. If I click on the landing page, I'm even able to go to their entire website. Are you planning on exister? Yes. Pets? No. Equipment? How many outside doors do you have? 2. Next. What do you call it? How many motion detectors? 1. How many ground level? Okay, let's just choose random stuff right over here. This is actually insane. This is so crazy. Wow. So they basically give me everything. If I click on continue to checkout, this is the order total. Wow. It's not even that crazy amount, by the way. I haven't really chosen anything in my own specification, but that's not even crazy. This is actually so nice. So this is what I'm talking about, guys, So this is exactly how you're going to be able to find winning product for yourself, inshallah. And I hope you guys got the idea, and I hope this video is helpful for most of you who's watching this. Make sure you take advantage of this before this video blows up, and make sure you share it with your close friends who are also into e-commerce and dropshipping, who you want to see successful, inshallah. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video, inshallah.